This time just enough for us.
Okay.
No, but I think some later.
Okay.
I bring you
Eso
some
se van a
later.
hacer y cuando estén ya deshechas le vamos a poner los huevos
Oh, okay.
y esto.
How many banana we have?
Right? You don't want it for frittata, right? That's where you can put it. So you're doing
Right there. Okay.
we need to chop as finely as possible.
What's called the
Stop.
the stock?
Stop. No fingers.
Yeah.
Watch the fingers.
And that is your.
Yeah, for the topping.
However you want.
Topping, you don't have a flour for topping, right?
You can make it in water. Thank
On your hand.
You're gonna cut the
Oh, and so you're the reporter.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm
Then
sorry.
we can show it next week.
oh, with spices.
I think I cut it too thin, right? You want thicker or you want thin like this?
It could be this works too as well because they're quite small.
I think topping should be like this better, right?
Excuse me.
Be careful with your finger. You know what you should.
Good, huh?
This is your
Better.
cutting. And
If you want to put the cooked ones in here.
oh, you also cut.
Peel the skin. Yeah,
This good one. Right here. Ah.
see, very good. I want
This is
to.
the San
I want
Leandro.
to do everything neat and nice.
This is San Leandro senior cook.
See?
And this. Yeah.
How come it's dark?
No, at the beginning we didn't know how to separate.
Oh.
Because of that from the beginning.
Yeah.
Oh,
We
I
know
see.
nothing. Now we got it.
There's a it come
Now
with
we
the
got
learn.
it. The second pan is now.
It's better.
Okay, and this is the dough. Who make it?
The pancake. We do. We all make it.
Ah, okay.
You passed the test. Yes, it's good.
What's the grade? 5?
A.
8?
I think I was. I'm gonna cover that.
I wear it to burn.
There you go. Yeah.
You need to put more oil, you know?
Much better.
Yeah. More
All right,
oil.
everybody, we're gonna move into our nutrition portion of our class. called
And then
frittata.
you can continue if
So
you
if
want
you all
to.
wouldn't mind taking a seat, and we'll take over making the sandwich.
Oh, okay.
And where are they going?
Here.
Oh, okay. All right, I'll take over from here, and we're gonna go over the nutrition class.
Yeah, if you guys wouldn't mind taking a seat, we're gonna start our nutrition.
Smells good. Smell oatmeal.
Broccoli, like we're using in the frittata today, as a component of macaroni and sauce. And it's great. And then it becomes a little lighter. What does broccoli add to it?
If it's something.
I mean, you know, we might say
Okay.
flavor and color also. You know, color's good.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Broccolini and broccoli, are they broccolini? Is that before the broccoli?
No.
No.
Broccolini, so
Between broccoli and kale, or yeah, it's a different vegetable from broccoli, but related.
I guess I have to write it down and look it up. My guess would be they're in the same family. And, thank you. Oh, the yeah, I see it, broccoli or raab, R-A-A-B.
I think broccolini is another plant, but broccoli is a plant that it doesn't grow in the wild, it's not natural. Broccoli has been cultivated and similar.
Oh, what is this one?
Oh, yeah, this is the vegetable vegetables for the frittata.
Pitata. Okay. And the other one is the same, right?
Okay,
And this is restaurant one. Right. Your name is what?
Patricia.
Restaurant Patricia.
Okay.
This is the scary part.
Yeah, they're putting the egg in after it's getting cooked. Yeah.
What is that? Onion? Cheese. Oh, cheese.
Distribute it. Yeah. But need to wait more. And the vegetable. Inside might not cook. Well, mix more. I'm gonna let it cook.
Oh, delicious.
You want more eggs on there?
Yeah, you can put that on. You can put this in.
Mix it first. If not enough, then you put the other one. Maybe this need more. Oh. Too late.
There's that shell.
Oh, yeah.
Got it.
Oh, no past the test.
Yeah.
What seasoning went into the veg?
Hey, nobody steal it. Was it overburnt underneath?
Flip it. She won't flip it.
Oh, it's got to
Oh,
harden
need
first.
to.
She's got to mix it so there's egg in the bottom.
Oh.
Yeah, mine has a ton of egg. Is it all the way to the bottom though? Is it between the vegetables to hold them together?
This is kind of like a quiche.
Okay.
We don't have an oven.
Because it's similar to a quiche.
Oh, so it will stay like this. So you just cut like pizza. I see. I thought you just.
Well, it's got to firm up some before it can flip it. It would
So-
just fall apart.
So
Be
that
like a
means they
stir
need to
fry.
use the low heat. If you use the high heat, it will be overburnt.
Yeah.
Okay. What about that one? Low heat or?
I don't know. She's doing hers different. The covers are too big, so she can't do that. You're starting to bubble. It's starting to come through.
Because the next Trader Joe's is in Oakland.
This one's better?
This one looks better, yeah. This one needs a little bit more time.
Okay.
Textbook says add carrots, zucchini, peppers to your favorite recipe. I think we even have a recipe where we do apple sauce instead of butter. Or,
Right.
I used to be skeptical of those things.
Situated where the fields are, like Birdside associated with Salinas. I've gone by their factories surrounded by fields of vegetables.
Yeah, actually, that's a really good point. I've heard that from fisheries too, where you think, oh, the nicest is fresh. It may not be possible to get, a halibut fresh, but if they call it chopped. It's really good. Way out in the ocean.
Smells good too.
I believe you're absolutely right. then a frozen item is fresher, and might do it. You might do it with really nice strawberries, for example. If they have those 10-pound baskets, and you can just freeze them. Why not? If they are at a good price.
I can see
And
all
the
your
way
hand
to go
and
about it
3 pan, 3 food.
To wash, take the green off, put it on a tray or something, so you really shock freeze it, gets as cold as quickly as possible. Then it's almost as good as fresh when you're ready to consume it. And often buying frozen items can be a little more affordable, not necessarily, like the frozen halibut. How about canned?
Emergency supplies, you need cans. Should there be a power outage, which we have where we are, that is why I keep a decent supply of cans.
Yeah. I think I hope I didn't sort of go too negative on canned
No, but I'm
items.
just saying, that's what I keep them
Yeah.
for.
And beans, you're going to say something.
So it's sugar-free in the can, you know, when it's in the juice, that doesn't have a lot of sugar in it. Or in,
Oh, you mean canned fruit?
a lot of it's in.
I guess it's in the juice, yeah.
Right,
Yeah,
you
it's
can add,
the juice.
they still make it with high fructose corn syrup.
Yeah. And, so fruit, and I'm thinking about, canned items, we also use here, also beans and corn, and, it's a must-have, I think, in your pantry, because you can't run out if you sit at the tower out, you just not be able to go out every day. And it's a great reserve. You can, rinse it, almost rinse it and fruit as well as the beans and the corn, because what they have in there, sodium, a lot of sodium to keep it, yeah. So that's the trouble with canned, but absolutely, and it's an easy staple to have, and, yeah, I stock up when they have good deals on those things, and it's lovely to have, open a can of chickpeas, make some hummus.
And I wish everybody tried the same thing. There's only 2 ways for beans, for most beans, canned or fried, right?
Yeah. I think that was what we needed to cover. Any questions? I mean, the little label thing is clear, right? And it wasn't the best example of a misleading item, but the point was to make sure you look at the ingredient list more than the calorie.
I was just gonna say this, when I went to the library last week, they gave out the notice that the farmer's market at San Leandro would open April, I think they said April 2nd, am I right? The beginning of April. And 2 years ago, they gave all of the seniors
That one or this one
$75.
is better?
Did you all get that?
They're basically the same.
They gave
They're basically the same. That one has a little bit more cheese on it.
Oh,
They're the same recipe.
maybe the cheese one will be better.
Maybe.
The last go round, they gave $20.
Is that right? Yeah, I had $35.
I didn't get it like that, but the last go round, it was a $20.
Yeah.
No, but last year is $20 is different, different.
20, oh.
No, you say $75.
That was 2 years ago.
Farmer market there, right?
At that San Leandro Library. You know that Wednesday farmer's market?
Yeah,
At
the farmer
300
market.
extra yellow?
No, that belongs to the farmer market.
Oh,
That's the farmer.
Well, how do you say delicious?
Delicioso.
Huh? Delicioso. Delicioso. Yummy, 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 yummy.
Nobody talking now.
Everybody's mouth is busy.
can check the DNA and know whether they really are in the same family. Yeah, I was in the botanical garden the other day, and they said that, sometimes things we always thought, oh, this is one family, we know for sure.
Hybrid
They
vegetable
were
can
not
use
so
like
sure
your
anymore
broccoli
because
and
we
Chinese
changed
broccoli
DNA.
or Thailand.
Well, so when in season, typically the most, or should be the most affordable.
And how long it's been at the store, otherwise frozen, I think, is pretty bad. So fresh tastes.
I guess most of the time, maybe with the occasionally, I think, I don't know.